Once you are in Blackboard, click on Tool Availability located under Customization. Select Attendance and Submit to store attendance records during Collaborate sessions. In the plus tool in the top left corner, select Tool Link, which will give you access to course tools. Add a name. Select the type, Blackboard Collaboration Ultra, and make it available to users. Submit that. You are now entered into your virtual classroom. You can customize your room. Select Allow Recording Downloads and deselect Allow attendees to join the session using a telephone and save changes. Click Create Session. Add your session start and end date with its time. Under Attendance Reporting, select Share Attendance Information with LMS. Make sure to name your session and save. Select Course Room to enter your virtual classroom. Click Join Course Room. In the top left navigation bar, select Start Recording. Open the Collaboration panel in the bottom right to chat and manage attendees. You can share your content through blank boards and various tools like Pencil, Shapes, Text, and Clear. You can share your screen with students of existing PowerPoint slides or other applications. You can share by uploading them here and click Share Now. Once you have your file selected, you can move between slides. At the bottom, you have the option of sharing your audio, video, or both. Going back to Blackboard, you can access your recordings in the navigation bar under Recordings. Here, you are able to watch your session, edit, delete, copy, and add a caption source.